Samsung 43-inch DU7110 Crystal UHD Smart TV. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Product Reviews by Wisdom Headquarter, where we dive deep into the latest tech products so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung 43-inch DU7110 Crystal UHD Smart TV, powered by Tizen. This TV promises stunning visuals, immersive sound, and smart features that aim to enhance your home entertainment experience. So, is it worth your money? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The Samsung DU7110 features a sleek, minimalistic design with ultra-thin bezels that give it a modern and elegant look. It easily blends into any room, whether it's mounted on the wall or sitting on a stand. The build quality is solid, with a durable plastic frame that doesn't feel cheap at all. Lose yourself in clear, vibrant colors with PurColour technology. Upgrade your viewing experience with the powerful Crystal Processor 4K. Enjoy immersive sound that follows the action with Object Tracking Sound Lite. Access the latest games directly on your TV with the Gaming Hub. No console needed to play games from Xbox, Blacknut, Nvidia, and more. Smart TV powered by Tizen offers personalized recommendations from top streaming apps. Now, let's summarize the pros and cons based on current user reviews. 1. Vibrant 4K display. The Crystal UHD panel with PurColour delivers stunning visuals. 2. Sleek design. Minimalistic and modern, fits well in any room. 3. Object Tracking Sound Lite provides a more immersive audio experience. 4. Smart features. Tizen OS is smooth and easy to use, with access to all major streaming services. 5. Good for casual gaming, decent performance with low input lag. Like any other product, this has following drawbacks. 1. Audio quality. Some users find the sound lacking in depth and bass. 2. Limited gaming features, no HDMI 2.1 or high refresh rate for advanced gaming. 3. No Dolby Vision. HDR performance is good but lacks the added punch of Dolby Vision. Wisdom Headquarter Verdict. So, should you buy the Samsung 43-inch DU7110 Crystal UHD Smart TV? If you're looking for a TV with vibrant picture quality, solid smart features, and a sleek design, it's a great option. However, if you're an audiophile or a hardcore gamer, you might want to consider additional accessories or a different model. Overall, it's a solid mid-range TV that offers good value for its price, with 4.5 rating on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Find the purchase link in description.